All right, we back at it again with the different pair of thought slippers. We got some color match pieces right here. These are little Denali side moldings that go on this panel right here, and I'm gonna be installing them today. Like I said in the last video, I got this idea from Miko Customs. He put them on his Tahoe, and I thought they looked pretty good. I feel like they give the Yukon a different look. I had them color matched. They were white in the last video. I had them color matched the other week. So I'm gonna put them on. It's literally 2 clips right there that go in that spot, and there's a spot for 2 more clips right there. And then I'm gonna get some clips of how it'll look after. All right, so we ran into some issues when installing these little pieces that go back here. So you gotta put some double-sided tape on the edges, because if you don't, you'll have a gap right here. So we're gonna go to AutoZone and find the right clips too, because I didn't have the right clips. I bought clips but didn't have the right ones, so that's what we finna do. We finna go to AutoZone. Hopefully we get these put on in this video and I can get some shots. It's dark already. We've been messing with these things for like 2 hours now, so hopefully we figure it out.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mom.
All right, y'all, it's the next morning, and I was gonna show y'all how it looked in the day with the Denali pieces on the back. I think it looked pretty good. It's different. I don't see nobody running these like on a regular Tahoe or Yukon or anything. But I like them. I ain't gonna lie, they look really nice. Like in person, they look really nice. Only thing I really want to change now that I got those is I want to get another valence. A long time ago, like 2 years ago, I cut that valence because I was running 17s and 37-inch craps on spindles and keys on this truck, and it rubbed so bad, so I had to cut it a long time ago. But once I get like a new valence and stuff, because I'm not gonna rub, I haven't rubbed literally since then on any other setup. I'm gonna get another valence. I don't know about color matching it. The thing with color matching the plastics on GMC trucks or Chevy trucks, the plastic always chips really bad. Like, so it's like you gotta find somebody who's really quality who can paint it, and even then it's still a risk that it's gonna chip. But I may, get them color match. Another thing I'm debating on doing, I have silver tow hooks that go here. Debating on putting them back on. I don't really know. I might put them back on. We'll see. And another thing is adding kayak little roof racks right there on top of the roof rack on this side. I'm thinking about running it, but if I run them, I'm going to take off my pads and sell them. So if anybody wants to trade my pads for some kayak racks, I'll even trade. I think that's fair, more than fair. Kayak racks brand new, you get them for $25. These brand new are like $40. I mean, they used, but still. But I'd rather have the little kayak rack things. Another thing I saw somebody do that I want an opinion on is painting the trim the same color as the truck, like right here and here. I saw it done on a Cadillac Escalade on TikTok, and I think it would look cool, honestly. But other than that, that's gonna be the end of the video. Again, I apologize for the quality and stuff like that. I did switch my phone first of all, I want to just start by saying that I did switch my phone because I'm using a different phone and I filmed the first video on, because I want to have one phone just dedicated, or like one thing just dedicated to YouTube. So I bought another phone to film on. This one is filming at 4K, 60 frames per second on this one. Same as my old one. It's just I want to keep storage on my other, well, on my main phone right here. I want to keep storage on my 13 and be able to use a different phone for YouTube. But I think it looks good, honestly. This week, I don't know, this might be a chill week for parts and stuff like that. This week I might just do top 5 things I like and dislike on this truck for the next video, just because this week is kind of like a chill week coming up. Thanksgiving and stuff like that. I'll be with family. I'm gonna be eating, stuff like that. And it's just gonna be a little chill little week. But other than that though, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Getting ready. We only got a week left, and then we take this thing to powder coat. Not too much longer. I appreciate all the new followers. I think I gained anywhere between like 13 to 14 followers from the last video. We was at 222. We had like 239. Now we almost at 240. So I appreciate all the love, and I'll see y'all in the next one.